So this old grill's got 448,000 kilometers on it. Got it in the shop in all its rusty glory. Pretty scary looking. That's my hitch. You see that? It's just all crumbly. But I am going to put this on new. So there you have it. Nice and secure. So hopefully today the box is going on. The only thing left on my trailer now is my old box, and I'm going to park that in the backyard, but looky here, see what's happening without the bumper supporting it. I just hope I make it all the way to the backyard. Check that out. Looks like I just barely made it. Ain't that something? Thanks. Whew. Look at that. Nasty. So aside from that hitch looking terrible as it is, I did manage to get the rest of it looking a little bit better. Much better than it was anyway. It was just one big lump of rust before. Kind of like this. And what I used on here was 3.5 cans of this non-paintable rubberized undercoat. And this is by Proform. Not at all sponsored by them, but works great. Really good. It's actually not even that bad to the touch. Dried up nice. Alright, let's do this. Alright, I think that ought to do it. So I found myself some semi-new bolts, newer than what I had, and they're in pretty decent shape, and just gonna put some of this anti-seize on all of them. And my anti-seize is a little bit frozen and partially dried up, but it still works. Got one started. So I've got 4 bolts started already. So I'm going to clean up my garage there a little bit. Yeah. See if I can get this backed in, get out of the breeze. It's a little chilly. So that's some of the junk that I had underneath my box to keep from scratching it. And I got a huge pile of junk again to clean up. Alright, so basically I made 2 piles here. This pile is what I dragged in from outside and stuff that was on those blankets. This pile is basically everything else that came out from underneath my truck yet. Yeah, look at that. Alright, look at that. That's how much junk came out from under the truck. One bucket full. I have all the box bolts tight, all 8 of them, and time to get rid of this hunk of junk right here. I've got one bolt to go here yet. Look at those holes. Crazy. Well, that's rust in Canada. There we are. Just gonna fasten all this on everywhere and test out the lights. I got the tail lights on. That one is on. This one is out. Not sure. Oh, I think it's the bulb. 2 license plate lights are working. My reverse light is out and my park light's out. So if you're out looking for a used bumper like I was, a little word of advice, look it over really well, make sure that you're getting what you think you're getting. And in my case, I got more work than what I expected, that is for sure.